give your life structure, discipline, and a genuine sense of pure fulfillment that few other areas of endeavor provide. Well said by Bob Cobb. Greetings to one and all present here. I am Shalani, welcome you all to the prestigious KSS Table Tennis Tournament 2024 of Zoning, which is being held in a brand new sports complex just inaugurated by our Honorable Manager, Sir Rajiv Ji Soni. The entire student community feels blessed by this feather in the cap, which will open more opportunities for indoor sports. It's a matter of pride for all of us that the first mega event to be organized here is the prestigious KSS Table Tennis Tournament of Zoning. On this grand occasion, I accord a heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Manager, Sir Rajiv Ji Soni, who has always thought about the welfare and progress of the school and students. We truly cannot thank you enough for the benevolence you have bestowed upon us. Welcome, sir. We feel immensely pleased to have amongst us Ma'am Neeta Pandey, Principal of Guru Nanak Public School. It is indeed our good fortune to have the presence of such an eminent personality amongst us. Ma'am is here to observe the fair conduct of the event. We welcome Ma'am wholeheartedly. I would like to request Ma'am to accept the token of affection. Event. I would like to request our distinguished guest, Ma'am Neeta Pandey, our Honorable Madam Principal, and Chandraprabha Ma'am to light the auspicious lamp. Here I call upon our music teachers to recite the shlokas. Beautifully recited indeed. Let me now introduce the teams that are going to participate in this prestigious event. In the girls category, there are 11 teams in all. Delhi Public School Azad Nagar, Allen House Public School Khalasi Line, Jack Chintals School, Dr. Sone Lal Patel Senior Secondary School, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sanatan Dharam Vidyalaya, Jai Narayan Vidya Mandir, Guru Nanak Modern School Kalyanpur, Delhi Public School Barra, Sir Padam Singhani Education Center, GD Goenka Public School, and Nurture International School. In the boys category, there are 16 teams in all. Delhi Public School Barra, Sir Padam Singhani Education Center, the Jain International School, GD Goenka Public School, Gardenia Public School, Nurture International School, Delhi Public School Barra, Delhi Public School Azad Nagar, Allen House Public School Khalasi Lines, the Children's School, Dr. Sone Lal Patel Senior Secondary School, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sanatan Dharam Vidyalaya, Pratap International School, Jai Narayan Vidya Mandir, Mantora Public School, Sage M.R. Jaipuria Naramau, and Guru Nanak Modern School. Let me now introduce the participants with the rules and regulations of the event. All the matches will be played according to the Table Tennis Federation of India (TTFI). The matches up to final stage will be played as best of 5 games. The balls to be used in the championship shall be TTFI approved, and the host will provide TT tables and balls to the participants. If the team is not present at the scheduled time of match, it will be liable to concede walkover to its opponent. The top 3 positions will get position certificates, medals, and trophies. The decision of the panel of our judges shall be binding and final. Each participant will receive a certificate of participation. I request our Honorable Principal Ma'am to wish the students.
My very hearty greetings to everyone on this very auspicious occasion, which has been made all the more auspicious because it also marks the inauguration of our brand new sports complex. And I really wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to our management and especially Soni sir, who is here with us today, for offering this gift to the student community of the school. And I'm sure it's not only going to serve the students of the school, it's going to serve the students from other schools as well. And this KSS event is the first event that is being organized here. I feel so glad that so many of you have come forward to participate in the event. And of course, table tennis means a lot of concentration, a lot of skill, a lot of great focus, and a lot of patience. So I'm sure you have all of it, and you are prepared very well to play the game the best you can today. And winning or losing does not matter really. We don't know who's going to win because everything changes, game changes everything. The spirit of competition really changes everything. So it doesn't matter whether you win or lose, you play your best and continue with your practice. And the day will definitely come for your victory too. I'm very, very grateful to Ma'am Neeta Pandey for her benign presence today to observe the event. And I assure you, ma'am, that everything will be conducted here as fairly as possible, as it is our students are not participating. It is all for you all children from other schools. So we will make sure, very sure, that everybody goes back very satisfied that yes, all the rules were followed and there were no unfair means used at all. So my blessings to you all. A lot of preparation has gone into this. You can well make out our sports teachers have worked very hard under the guidance of our sports coordinator, Ms. Chandraprabha ma'am, and Ajay sir. Right, the other teachers will also be around to support you. Your teachers who are accompanying you are also there. A big welcome to all of you. All the trainers who are accompanying the students here, and of course, God bless you all because you are doing great service, not only to these children but to the society at large. So, my blessings to all of you. May the best players win. Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your edification. May I humbly solicit the Honorable Principal of Guru Nanak Public School to bless the students.
Respected sir and ma'am, all the participating students and the teachers and the students of Sanathan, it's a great privilege to be here today. I am really impressed by the infrastructure that this school has. It is very nice to see that there is so much of discipline and careness in the school, ma'am. You are handling it so well, sir. The school is so nice. So all the best to all the participants. Let the best team win. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to request our manager, Sir Rajiv D. Soni, to declare the meet open.
declare the KSS Table Tennis Tournament 2024 for Zone A open.
Thank you, sir.
In boys category, Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, Jai Narayan Vidya Mandir. And table number 2, Dr. Sonelal Patel and Mantora Public.
पॉइंट दे देना बोले तो
Hearty greetings. I, Piyush Alani, welcome you all to the prestigious KSS Table Tennis Tournament 2024 of Zoning. Table tennis has been an Olympic sport since 1988, with event categories in both men's and women's singles and men's and women's teams since replacing doubles in 2008. Table tennis is governed by International Table Tennis Federation (ITTF), founded in 1926, and specifies the official rules in the ITTF handbook. ITTF currently includes 226 member associations worldwide. The KSS tournament commenced here yesterday, that is 26 July, in both the categories of boys and girls, with 10 teams in girls category and 16 teams in boys. The tournament continued today. The final and semi-final matches were held, and here we are for the prize distribution ceremony. We feel immensely pleased to have amongst us as our chief guest Sir Sanjeev Pathak, President of Table Tennis Federation of Uttar Pradesh. Sir has started his new innings as the President of Uttar Pradesh Table Tennis Association. Sir has won acclaim by playing table tennis at the international level and made our city proud with his laurels. Here are a few glimpses of his achievements. Sir is actively supporting conduct of various competitions at school level in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Sir has recently participated in World Masters Championship organized in Rome. It is indeed an honor for all of us to have Sir as our chief guest today. We welcome you, Sir, wholeheartedly. I would like to request Sir to accept the token of affection. May I humbly solicit our headmistress ma'am to present the token of affection. I would also like to request Ma'am Neeta Pandey to accept the token of affection. May I humbly solicit Headmistress Ma'am to present the token of affection. It is really a proud moment that the members of Management Committee, Manager Sir Rajiv Ji Soni and President Sir Dhawan are here for the prize distribution ceremony of prestigious KSS Table Tennis Tournament 2024 of Zoning. We welcome you wholeheartedly. We also welcome the Chief Referee Sir Sanjay Tandon for supporting the event. I would like to request Sir to accept the token of affection. We would also like to accord our gratitude to all the officials from the Table Tennis Federation for their support and cooperation in refereeing the event. I would like to request all the referees to accept the token of affection. Ma'am Tarini Kushwaha, Sir Sajid Srivastav, Sir Sunil Singh, Sir Ketan Lakhwani, Sir Harsh Verma, and Sir Amit Tripathi. Sir Sunil Singh, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. Now I would like to apprise of the proceedings of the 2 days. All the team events of boys and girls category were conducted yesterday, that is 26th July 2024. In the boys category, Sir Padampat Singh Hania Education Center defeated Mantora Public School by 3-0. The Chintals School Kalyanpur defeated Nurture International School by 3-0. Delhi Public School Azad Nagar defeated Allen House Public School Khalasi Line by 3-0. And Delhi Public School Barra defeated Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sanatan Dharam Vidyalaya by 3-0. The teams of Sir Padampat Singh Hani Education Center, the Chintals School Kalyanpur, Delhi Public School Azad Nagar and Delhi Public School Barra entered into semi-finals respectively. In the girls category, Sir Padampat Singh Hani Education Center defeated Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sanatan Dharam Vidyalaya by 3-0. The Chintals School Kalyanpur defeated Nurture International School by 3-0. Delhi Public School Azad Nagar defeated Guru Nanak Modern School Kalyanpur by 3-0. Delhi Public School Barra defeated Jai Narayan Vidya Mandir by 3-0. The teams of Sir Padampat Singh Hani Education Center, the Chintals School Kalyanpur, Delhi Public School Azad Nagar and Delhi Public School Barra entered semi-finals respectively. All the team events, we welcome revered management committee members who have blessed us with their auspicious presence. All the team event matches of girls and boys category were conducted today, that is 27 July 2024. In the girls category, Sir Padampat Singh Hani Education Center defeated the Chintals Kalyanpur by 3-0. Delhi Public School Azad Nagar defeated Delhi Public School Barra by 3-0. In the boys category, Sir Padampat Singh Hani Education Center defeated the Chintals School Kalyanpur by 3-0. And DPS Azad Nagar defeated DPS Barra by 3-0. In the team events, both in the boys category, the final matches were held between Sir Padampat Singh Hani Education Center and Delhi Public School Azad Nagar. In the girls category, The final matches were held between Delhi Public School Azad Nagar and Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center. Now I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest, Sir Sanjeev Pathak, to bless the students and motivate them.
मैनेजमेंट कमेटी के राजीव सोनी जी, सुरेंद्र धवन जी, हमारे आज की गेस्ट नीता पांडे जी, हेडमिस्ट्रेस पूजा जी, और हमारे यहाँ के स्पोर्ट्स टीचर्स और विभिन्न स्कूलों से आए हुए बच्चे, और हमारे कानपुर टेबल एसोसिएशन के सेक्रेटरी संजय टंडन जी, हमारे जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी सुनील सिंह जी, सत्यम जी, और जो इस दिलीप सेन जी हमारे बैठे हैं सीनियर, और हमारे काफ़ी कोचेस और जिन्होंने ये टूर्नामेंट आयोजित करा सनातन धर्म स्कूल में, इंटर स्कूल में मुझे आने का यहाँ दूसरी या तीसरी बार आने का सौभाग्य हुआ, तो मैं मैनेजमेंट और इसको धन्यवाद दूंगा कि मुझे यहाँ बुलाया, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स में जाना हम लोग को बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि इसी से हम लोग बने और इसी से नाम। और मैं आप लोगों को बताऊं, मैं अभी रोम गया था मास्टर्स खेलने, तो हम लोगों के लिए बड़ी गर्व की बात है कि रोम जैसे कंट्री में, इटली में, हमारे स्टैग की टेबल 350 टेबल लगी थी, जो हमारे इंडिया की बनी हुई, उत्तर प्रदेश की, और वो भी मेरठ की, वो टाइटल स्पॉन्सर थे स्टैग ग्लोबल। तो इस बड़े गर्व का बात लग रही थी कि हम लोगों की 350 टेबल, एक हॉल में 80 टेबल लगी हुई थी, और फ्लोरिंग भी स्टैग की थी, बॉल भी स्टैग की थी, एरिना भी स्टैग का था। तो ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे हम लोग इंडिया में कोई टूर्नामेंट खेल रहे हों, और यूरोप जैसी कंट्री वहाँ पे हम लोग का स्टैग ग्लोबल स्पॉन्सर कर रहा है, ये हम लोग के लिए बड़े गर्व की बात थी। और बच्चों, मैं तो आपसे कहूँगा कि हम लोग के स्पोर्ट्स के तो जब से 2014 से हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी मोदी जी हुए, इधर 17 में मुख्यमंत्री योगी जी हुए, तो स्पोर्ट्स के दिन भी अच्छे आ गए हैं, क्योंकि जब भी टीम जाती है तो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी सबसे मिलते हैं, खिलाड़ियों से मिलते हैं, उनको क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए वो भी करते हैं, कि बाहर के कोच जाना है या बाहर कोचिंग के लिए जाना है, वो भी सुविधाएं देते हैं। उसी का परिणाम है कि आज हमारे कॉमनवेल्थ में, पैरा ओलंपिक में, ओलंपिक में, एशियन गेम्स में मेडल आने शुरू हो गए। और मैं तो टेबल टेनिस वालों के लिए एक और गर्व की बात कहूँगा प्लेयर्स के लिए, कि कल ओपनिंग हुई तो जो इंडियन फ्लैग लेके आगे चल रहा था, वो पहली बार इतिहास में टेबल टेनिस प्लेयर शरद कमर लेके चल रहे थे। तो ये हम लोग के लिए एक और अच्छी और गर्व की बात है। मैं बच्चों से कहूँगा कि मन लगा के खेलें, मन लगा के पढ़ें, जो बाकी चीज़ों में टाइम अपना अप्लाई, जो आजकल गैजेट्स हो गए हैं, वो समय ना व्यर्थ करके अपना स्पोर्ट्स में समय दें। और मैं आपको बताऊं कि स्पोर्ट्स की क्या लाइफ होती है, क्या एंजॉयमेंट होता है। अभी हम लोग गए तो एक जो 40 के ऊपर होता है, 5-5 साल के 40, 45, 50 इस तरह से कैटेगरीज हैं। तो एक विनर हुई थी लेडी चाइना को, उनका एज थी 95 में हम लोग क्या करेंगे तो हम लोग सोच सकते हैं, लेकिन वो बॉल भी उठाती थी, खेलती भी थी, और वो विनर हुई। और कोरिया में 2026 में नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप है, तो उसके लिए भी कहेंगे सी यू इन कोरिया। तो वो टेम्परामेंट, तो स्पोर्ट्स का वो टेम्परामेंट होता है, विल पावर मजबूत होती है। और बच्चों, ये भी बात सही है, मैं तो मैम से भी कहूँगा कि स्पोर्ट्स वाले जो स्पोर्ट्समैन होते हैं वो पढ़ाई में भी अच्छे होते हैं, क्योंकि बड़े शार्प होते हैं, उनका ब्रेन जल्दी चलता है। तो वो लोग पढ़ाई में भी, उनको मैं स्कूल को बहुत मैनेजमेंट को धन्यवाद दूंगा कि स्पोर्ट्स को इतना बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं। तो हम लोग के यहाँ स्पोर्ट्स धीमे धीमे डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल से नेशनल लेवल पे बच्चे निकल रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर्स कानपुर से निकल रहे हैं। एक अभिषेक यादव बच्चा यहाँ निकला जिसने इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे बहुत अच्छा करा, और वो इंडियन बैंक में ऑफिसर के रूप में उसने ज्वाइन कराया थी। तो बच्चों का भी फ्यूचर ब्राइट है और उनको सपोर्ट मिले और जो हम लोग की एसोसिएशन कर सकती है उसको भी पूरा करने का हम लोग, क्योंकि यूपी के बच्चे बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस कर रहे हैं नेशनल चैंपियन, इंटरनेशनल चैंपियन में। मैं इसी के साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir. We now humbly solicit our headmistress ma'am to announce the results.
Humble greetings to honorable members of the management, our president, sir, of the UP Federation Table Tennis Tournament, Sir Sanjeev Ji Pathak, and our observer, Ma'am Neeta Pandey, Principal of Guru Nanak Public School. It's really a humble and a warm welcome to you all on this auspicious afternoon of the KSS Table Tennis Tournament. And without much ado, I will request our Honorable President Sir, Sir Sanjeev Ji Pathak, Ma'am Neeta Ma'am, and Soni Sir and Dhawan Sir to please come up on the stage and give away the honorable prizes and the coveted trophies to the winners of the day. Ma'am, please. Sir. Today's results, I believe, are not the output of a week or a month's effort. Our enterprising students have worked hard through the years and have got these coveted prizes. And here we have two categories for the table tennis tournament. We have the individual categories both for girls and boys, and the team category for both girls and boys. So I begin with the girls of the individual category, and we begin with the second runners-up position. So please put your hands together for Aditri Banerjee and Subhagya Kushwaha. Subhagya is from Jayanarayan Vidya Mandir and Aditri is from the Chintal School. Both the girls stand at the third pedestal and will get the medals for the second runners-up position in the girls' individual category. A loud round of applause for the both enterprising sporting girls. And now, let's give a loud round of applause to Abana Lyle from DPS Azad Nagar. Abana stands as the first runner-up in the girls' individual category KSS Table Tennis Tournament Zone 8. And our ace table tennis player amongst the girls is Srishti Mishra from Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center. Well done, child. Very well done. And now, let's move on to the second category, that is the boys category. And before that, we can have the victorious team of girls individual table tennis players of KSS Tournament Zone 8. A loud round of applause for our winners. Making memories for a lifetime, enjoying the glory that they have earned and very well deserved. And now, let's clap for the boys individual category. Amongst the boys individual category, we have Vihan from the Children's Schools and Daksh Singh from DPS Barra as the second runners-up for today. Please give a loud round of applause for Vihan, the Children's School and Daksh Singh from DPS Barra. Both the boys won the semi-finals and have stood at the third position, getting the prize for second runners-up amongst the boys category. And now it's time to call upon Ashutosh Gupta from Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center who gets the first runner-up position. Well done, Ashutosh. Ashutosh is a proud finalist but could not come to the first position. Very well done, Ashutosh. And a very loud round of applause for Chitrant Shakya from DPS Azad Nagar. Our ace table tennis player for the day, he stands first amongst the individual category of table tennis KSS tournament. And here we have the individual category winners, making themselves, their parents, their teachers, their coaches, their schools very, very proud. And it's time now to applaud for the girls team, the overall girls team from the various schools that participated, and at the third position with second runners-up trophy, I call upon Delhi Public School Barra and the Chintul School Kalyanpur. I request all the girls to come up on the stage. From the Chintul School we have Barra coming up. We have Aradhya, Bhavya Singh, Arushi Singh, Shubh Chauhan and Drishti Mathur. This is the second runners-up team from DPS Barra girls category standing in front of you all. Please encourage your teammates, children. They deserve a loud round of applause. And at the same position from the Chintul School, let's applaud for Ojasvi Singh, Pratyaksha Mishra, Anya Verma, Aditri Banerjee and Abhya Verma. Well-deserved girls, keep up your hard work, your persistence and your perseverance. So here we have the two teams at the third position, the second runners-up school, the Chintul School and DPS Barra. winning team of the first runner-up position from Sir Padampat Singhania Education Centre. A loud round of applause for Srishti Mishra, Kanisha Jaiswal, Kavi A. Shah, Varunavi Mishra and Geet Rajdev. Well done, girls. You have really worked hard for this glittering trophy and glittering medals. A big smile, girls. You deserve all the glory that you have worked for. And at the topmost rung of the ladder, we have the winning team of Delhi Public School, Azad Nagar. Let's put our hands together for Nandika Gupta, Amisha Gupta, Abana Lyle, Tanya Seni, and Preksha Tiwari. Please applaud for them, children. They really deserve a loud round of applause. Well done, girls. Very well deserved. Keep up your hard work. Kudos to the entire team of Delhi Public School, Azad Nagar. And now it's time to felicitate the boys. I request everybody to be quiet. I request the audience to be quiet, please. Can we have a little silence here? Girls, can we have a little silence? Thank you. Okay, so it's time now to felicitate the boys enterprising teams, and at the third position with the second runners-up trophy, let's clap for the Chintal School Kalyanpur and Delhi Public School Barra. Both the schools stand third and will get the trophy for the second runners-up. And we have the Chintal School. Representing them are Anish Krishna Shangari, Anish Gupta, Vihar, Durvak and Aradhya Chandra. Well done, boys. Keep up your sporting spirit. You have a long way to go. And to share the position, I call upon Vaibhav Verma, Aparajit Singh, Daksh Singh, Anant Pooja Shukla, Yuvan Pandey from Delhi Public School, Barra. Well done, children. Keep up your zeal, your enthusiasm and your love for the sport. Please give a big round of applause to DPS Barra sporting team, young players, very enthusiastic, and an upcoming team for sure in the coming years. We have some very young talented players right in front of you. And now let's put our hands together for DPS Azad Nagar boys category, and they all stand at the second position with the first runners-up trophy. Let's put our hands together for Anshuman Dhaya, Arnav Anand, Kanishk Jevatya, Veer Rawat, Chitransh Shakya. very big round of applause for Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, boys winning team, the champions of KSS Table Tennis Tournament. These are the ace performers of the tournament: Ashutosh Gupta, Daksh Khandelwal, Avyansh Malhotra, Ujjwal Awasthi, Manas Poktani. The winners of the boys team, Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center, for KSS Tournament Zone A. So here we have the promising team from Sir Padampat Singhania Education Center. You never know, next time Sir comes and tells us that I'm taking some of them for an international level. So all the best to all the players present here. Keep up your zeal and keep playing, keep winning, keep rising, keep shining. So here we have all the 8 teams, girls and boys, for a group picture with their glittering medals and their coveted trophies, bathing in the glory of victory. All the team members of all the schools are here.
बेटा लोग पीछे आओ, छोटे बच्चों आगे आ जाओ, पीछे छुपे तो आगे करो, छोटे बच्चों को आगे करो, पीछे बड़े ये बच्चे ऊपर हैं, वो आगे लो, नीचे बैठो, नीचे जाओ, और नीचे जाओ, अरे Yes. Good, great. Hello. Say it now. Wait. Thank you.
I request all the children to move down. I request all the children to move down. Players, please move down and take your seats. Thank you, sirs. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing this lovely occasion. I request all the students to take their seats. And there's a call for Preksha. Is Preksha here? There she is, a very enterprising and a very upcoming table tennis player. And we have Sir presenting her with a token of appreciation and love in order to motivate her, encourage her in her upcoming games. Thank you so much, sirs. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion and making this known for all our players and our guests. I request everybody to settle down, and over to you, Piyush.
I request the audience to settle down and maintain silence. Thank you, ma'am. I request our Honorable Headmistress, ma'am, to deliver the vote of thanks.
I would really like to thank everybody who could make today and make this afternoon possible. My heartfelt thanks to all the schools and the students for participating in today's program and tournament. And a special thanks to Sir for gracing this occasion with his benign presence. A very special thanks to Ma'am Neeta for coming and observing the tournament and seeing that it goes on in a very fair and transparent manner. And my heartfelt thanks to the esteemed members of the management for giving us this platform where our students get an opportunity to display their talent and skill. And most of all, my thanks to the sports department, without whom we could not have thought about this afternoon. So my special thanks goes to our sports coordinator, Ma'am Chandrabha Singh. She has been with us since many years and has been taking care of all the tournaments. And her right hand, Ajay Singh, who leaves no stone unturned to see that there is a smooth going of the entire occasion. And special thanks also goes to Alok sir and to Tarun sir, who work day and night to train our students and help us do well in all the sporting activities. And of course, it goes without saying, the music department and the art department for everything that they do for every program that we have in our school. So a loud round of applause to all the teachers, coaches, and most of all, the dear students who could make us proud here today. Thank you, everybody.